Vinay, have you noticed how much the Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities in India are developing lately? It's quite impressive.
Yes, Winnie. The growth is largely driven by several government initiatives making these cities more connected and accessible.
Right. Why are these smaller cities suddenly drawing so much attention?
Well, apart from the government's efforts, the low cost of living and doing business are big factors. Plus, technological advancements has increased remote work possibilities.
That's true. I also heard that there is a trend of people moving back to these cities, seeking a better quality of life.
Exactly. This reverse migration is also about reconnecting with their roots for some people.
That's interesting. Do you think this growth is sustainable in the long run?
It's a valid concern. The key is to balance development with environmental and social considerations. If done right, Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities could play a crucial role in decongesting the overburdened metros.